everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be showing you these red, green, and blue solar-powered string lights from Sunforce. They're ideal for decorative and outdoor use around your backyard, patios, gazebos, campers, and more. The kit includes the amorphous solar panel, 2 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, a remote control, mounting hardware and ground stake, and the strand itself. There are 12 bulbs. They're all made of a durable black ABS plastic, and they're spaced 2 feet or 60.9 meters in between each bulb. The overall cable length is 30 feet or 9.14 meters. The amorphous solar panel operates in all lighting conditions, even on cloudy days. It's adjustable and fully weather resistant and durable. Here's a close-up of the amorphous solar panel. You will need a small screwdriver to remove this plate on the back. The controls on the back are auto, off, and on. The lights can be activated by the remote control or come on automatically at nighttime. Here's a look at the remote control up close. Here's where you would change the batteries in the back. And then the on is here, the off is here. You can increase and decrease the brightness. There is the red, green, and blue function as well as white. There are also all of these different colors. And then there are features such as strobe, fade, twinkle, breath, chaser, random, RGB flash, and D-flash. It's easy to assemble and install. There's no need for an electrician, and I'll show you how to do that now. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I'll provide links in the description of this video. If there's anything I forgot to cover that you would like to know, please leave it for me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. I'll also include customer service information for Sunforce should you like to contact them directly. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.